Big Daddy got that junk smoking, y'all. Smoking. Smoking. That's just what he do. That's just what he do.
That's just what I do. Fish fry coming soon to you.
Y'all let us know if y'all want a couple pieces. Sharing is caring. Sharing is caring. Comment down below. How many pieces do you want? Y'all hear this sizzle? Comment down below too, y'all, if y'all want a snow cone. Or my snow cones be fire.
Look at the little baby tip.
The little baby tip.
Little baby
Tippity tip tip.
Everybody, y'all. Them y'all gonna be so delicious. I'm gonna smoke them y'all slow roll.
Slow roll it. That's my neighbor dog, y'all. Excuse the excess noise. We'll come back in a couple of ticks. Okay, family, while the grill is on, I redid my little strawberry. I know y'all didn't know we had a garden, but I'm just gonna run through it. I redid the strawberry bit. It had little problems. We got corn. We got cucumbers, watermelons, cantaloupe, more strawberries here. Show y'all a little baby watermelon. Y'all see it? The little baby watermelons and cucumbers over there. We got lemons, lemon trees, orange trees, grapefruit trees, fig trees. There's figs, y'all. Look at the grapefruits. More fig trees. Grapes over there in the corner. Tomatoes. All kind of peppers. Potatoes. Blueberries, raspberries over there. And we have trees. Apple trees. Plum trees. Peach trees. And my carrot, y'all. I can't really just show the trees right now because my neighbors are all outside. These are the carrots. And more potato plants. We got some onions in there too. I could have pulled some onions for the grill, y'all. Because we got some that's bubbling down there. But they need some more time. But yeah, y'all thumbs up the video. We doing our little Thug Thistle for Duck Shizzle today. Leave your comments down below. Big Daddy done moved the whole grill to the backyard, y'all. Because of the dog next door. He done moved the whole grill, y'all. I sprinkled a little extra mixed onions on it. Because if it was real onion, you know, onion, fresh onions, I'd have sprinkled it on top and put it in the charcoal. Yeah, we just chilling today. Today Memorial Day. We just chilling.
Yeah, that big daddy had to go pull a little 5, 6 hours at work. But we still gonna shine like a dime. Shine like a dime. Yeah, you don't know nothing about that. Y'all don't want me to get started.
Please don't get them started, y'all.
You don't want me to get started.
But yep.
It's the goose. Don't get me started. Oh yeah, I won't get me started now.
But yep, it's Memorial Day today, so baby decided to throw a little something on the grill for me and the kids. Ain't nothing really going on. We just chilling at the house. Big Daddy pouring up his brewski. His 33rd brewski.
It ain't. Don't be believing her. That ain't no 33rd. This ain't nothing with my second.
What you say? Hey, family.
Yeah, y'all done catch Peachy Peoples at night time.
You want to say hey, family?
Of course she gonna snitch on me.
Super, you gonna come say hey to the family?
Hey, what's good?
Alright, y'all. Let's check on the meat. Check on that meat. My meat. Oh, baby, you know I works with the flick of the wrist. I can do both. I just did them, by. You need to do the other row. What y'all got going for Memorial Day this weekend?
Comment down below. Let us
Yeah,
know.
comment down below and let us know what y'all doing. Oh, we over here smoking. Smoking. Ah, yeah, give me a minute. Let me see what I can taste right fast. The kids just running around. Ooh, them little children need dough over there, my God. But yeah, y'all, as far as barbecue, y'all better get that, it's called barbecue spice. They got it at Lids. When I say that spice is busting and you ain't got to have all these 30 different seasonings trying to get your food to the taste that you will like or love, barbecue spice, I'm telling you, you cannot fucking go wrong at all, period. You cannot go wrong with that barbecue spice and some onions. And if you ain't got no fresh onions, mixed onions works just fine. Bussin'. Y'all comment down below how many pieces y'all want and we got y'all covered. My plants, y'all. Alright, y'all. Almost time to take it all off. It feels so good out here. The wind blowing at a steady pace.
See what happens when you gotta watch. Wipe it. I'm taking over.
I ain't taking over, I'm just hipping while you relax.
Just on over. Slow down there. That mother slow cooking is simmering. Everything in there juicy. Woo!
Juice box wet, wet.
Wet, 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 wet. I make the juice box talk, talk, talk,
Alright,
talk.
y'all. Cause
Still no talk.
Big Daddy going on.
Hey, 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 hey. You see them steaks? You see that T-bone?
Alright, y'all.
Okay.
Daddy and daughter arguing about her car. She ready to drive her car.
What?
The bike.
You gotta give me some sugar. You give me some sugar, and you gotta give me a big hug,
Okay.
and I might go get your car. Mm. Okay, I'm gonna get your car. Give me 5 minutes.
Oh.
Okay,
She said
give me 2 minutes.
She said she ain't got 5 minutes.
Can I get 2 minutes?
Nope.
Told you.
I'll get
I can't get 2 minutes.
I want to get my
Can I get a minute and a half?
half.
Okay, I'm finna get in there.
He got a half a minute.
Okay.
She gave that dad a half a minute to go get her car.
It broke.
Yeah, I know. I gotta put another.
Come on.
Huh?
You happy now?
Yeah.
Miss Lady done came out.
Did you really try that right there?
Come back this way. Alright, y'all. The meat about ready to come on. We're waiting on Mariana to bring the pan. Peaches and Suki riding around in the backyard.
Okay, stop.
You gotta reverse.
Not the music.
Alright, y'all. I'm gonna go get the pan myself. Mariana finally came with the pan, y'all. Ain't no sense of being embarrassed. I said the food been on burn up, waiting on her. Shit, I been done ate them little pieces. Look at these little real tip shot. Them folks ought to be ashamed. Damn, baby, you done drop one back there. Peaches, if you're not gonna drive right, we're gonna put it up. Smoking. Smoking. Alright, y'all. Give us a couple of ticks. What's up, Big Meat? What up, dog?
John Bus.
What up, dog?
That John Bus. That spice.
Barbecue spice. It's not spicy like spicy, but it's just the name of it, I guess.
Barbecue
But it's a
spice.
good barbecue blend rub.
It's lit. It's good, y'all. Y'all need to try it. You saw in the beginning of the video, that's all I used was it. That John Juice and Bussin'.
Ted, them folks sleeping on that barbecue spice.
Straight slip.
Queen over here nibbling. Queen, you over here nibbling.
But we still running that 225 years. And I ain't even put that much charcoal on it.
It was $2.75 last time I looked at it.
It was?
It was at $2.75.
Yeah, we running 225 now. I should have put some salmon on there for y'all to see. I take it out. It'd been lit.
When y'all start coming down below how many pieces y'all want, then we'll start putting some extra on there for everybody who come in down below.
What was that? Oh, I saw something. What was I supposed to get? I feel like you just ran the whole bus.
Alright, let me come back in a couple of ticks because they over there bumping their music around the corner. And I ain't trying to get copyrighted.
Today is because I love you very much.
Aww.
Thanks for going today. Because we're going to eat your last night and wait for 5 minutes when we eat your last night.
Oh, she talking to the plant shop. She said, thank you very much for growing today.
Mommy, I think they're not talking.
Oh, they are talking. You just have to listen.
Hey, hey, hey. They're voice. I can hear them. Hey. Bye, everybody.
He heavy? Stand up for a minute too, so she come back right here. Oh, good job, too. Peach is like, oh, hell no. She said, Tuki, you're so heavy. Peach is so extra.
You know the light even blinking.
So I called them. You gonna run the thing over. Okay, we can stop now.
Don't hit me.
Peaches, stop.
You finna hit mama.
See? Peaches.
You got some insurance?
You got insurance? You got money?
Because I will call the police.
Huh?
Do you have some insurance? She's scared of the police, y'all. You got some insurance? Or I'm going to have to call the police?
Sure?
Do you want me to call the police on you?
No.
Oh. Well, don't hit me.
Yeah, you gotta listen. See, when you gotta stop when people say stop.
Well, I didn't hear you soon.
Yeah, you almost ran over my whole leg.
Okay, we gotta.
How close she is to me, y'all.
Forward.
You need to put it in reverse so you can back up.
Not working. Yeah, it's working. I did it.
Whoa.
I did it.
Okay, put back up.
All right. Big Daddy getting the rest of the meat off the grill, y'all.
Okay.
I wish we had some shrimp to put on there, but shoot. All the bags of shrimp I be getting. That's all I eat is fish and shrimp. Look at them steaks up there dripping. Yeah, I see it dripping. Everything juicy.